New feature alert. Google Class Tools, secondary view.
Okay, let's check and see how we can access class tools if we are accessing via high school, if we don't have access to Google Classroom. But all you have to do is move your cursor over, tell the students to click on class tools, and it's going to ask them to type in a code from your teacher. This code is at the top of our session as the teacher, and you just type it in, YMCCKI, and press join. Once you've joined, the computer is now going to lock to this session. It takes about 3 seconds for it to go full screen. And what you can see is now we have the tabs that I've assigned them as the teacher. And if I want, I can turn on captions. So the students will be seeing mine up on the screen, but what I can do is turn it on. So now students can see captions of my voice right here along the bottom, adding some accessibility. One other step you can also do is turn on translation. And this gives students the chance to head down, and you can see that it's translating into the last language chosen, so it's translating my words right there into Arabic. Students can pick any one of these languages, or have it just going into English, or choose, you know what, I don't need any translations at all. Now, I can go to any assignment I need to. I can fill in forms. You can see it's opened those tabs I've assigned across the top, so I can come into my Brightspace course. There it is inside of our Brightspace course, and the content loads. That's part of the assignment. We can see that's all happening right there. They can go to any page. They're not locked to just one assignment page. They can go anywhere they want inside of their Brightspace course, which is something important to know. But we can also share a folder. So if you had a folder of their work, maybe you created something on Google Assignments. So it's one of those things where you have to play with the sharing settings sometimes on what exactly it looks like, because it's different for everyone. But what I did is I had the assignment created for my students, and I needed them to be able to open it using Google Assignments. So I actually had to share the folder, and students can then go in and pick only their own name. If they pick someone else's name, it won't open for them, but this way they could actually open a Google Slides assignment that I'd created in Google Assignments, and this way they could actually access it through Brightspace. When students are done, they can head up home, and you'll see we've still got 21 minutes left. They only have the tabs available. I can add in resources at any point for them. Very, very interesting. Lots of fun to play with. Hope it makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.